Alright everyone, welcome back. Now this lecture is all about discussing the database structure for our courses section. Now starting off with our main table, which will be the main focused table, is courses. So inside the courses you can see we have user ID, category ID, language ID. We will also define the languages. So for example, if the course is not in English or in any other language, so that the students should be able to know before taking the course, so that they have an idea, okay, what they are going to be learning from this course and in which language. That's the most important thing. Then definitely we have a couple of options here. Then this is issue certificate. So issue certificate is basically we will create it as an enum. So this will define if the certificate should be issued to the students or not. Okay. Other than that, so it's all has like pretty much straightforward columns. Then moving on to the right hand side, we have learning outcomes. So similar to Udemy, so like what will be the learning outcomes for the students who will take this course. Then the prerequisites, if there are any students need to be aware of or learn before taking the course, and the target audience is also as well. Additionally, moving further, we have the course sections. Now, this course sections is really important because this is from the where the exact main important things comes into play. So the sections is basically like a kind of playlist, you can say, which is basically a playlist, has a title, it has the description, and it also has sometime images as well that are displayed for each section. And then inside that we have content. So within the section we will have content. So the content will be in such a way that basically, so I missed one thing, is that course contents, it should be, just let me fix that. So it should be course section contents, and in the column we should also have course section ID, and let me add that, and let's place it after the course ID. Close. Okay, so this, the contents basically will contain the information like the video, if the course is about a video, if it is about, so you can see the title, so the title of the course content. File basically contains if it is a video, if it is an image, or if it is a PDF file. All right, so that will be displayed to the users or to the students. And then the description as well. So the type is basically like what I have defined, either it's going to be a video, it's going to be an image, an article, or whatever it could be. Okay, then it is completed. So whether the content is completed, so user can also have sorry, the students can also basically mark the content complete. And then next, moving forward to it, we also have the comment section under each content, so that for example, if students are watching a specific video and they are facing any sort of challenges, or they want to ask a couple of questions, so they can straight away ask those questions down in the comments below. And then we also have the course ratings table as well, so that will be basically displayed on the main page of course. All right, now moving forward back to the left hand side, below the courses you can see we have course users. So the course users will basically be the students, that will be containing just the course ID and user ID. Moving forward, we have course questions. So this is kind of like a course quiz. So if any author wants to basically ask a couple of questions at the end of the course, or maybe like this is mandatory before making sure that the certificate is issued. So that basically comes into play. So we will have a questions. So we also have like course ID, type of question, and then active section as well. So type of questions is really important. So for example, if the question is MCQs based, it is if it is related to multiple choices, or it is a text based question, so that's the thing comes into play. Then we also have the course question answers. So if it is multiple choices, we can add the multiple options there, and we can pick which options are correct. In case of MCQs, so there will be only one. In case of multiple, there will be a couple of options. All right. And then in case of text, so there will be no course answer comes into play. So that will directly just be stick to the question section here. And then finally, we will have the table for students' responses that will capture all the answers of quizzes. So you can see we have user ID, course question ID, and course question answer ID. So we will stick to single MCQs and multiple choice questions. All right. So this is basically a basic structure of course which we are going to develop in our upcoming series. All right, that's the thing that I wanted to show you, and I will see you in the next one.